Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's prompt is ominous. While searching for the meaning of ominous, we could see that it means giving the worrying sign or impression that something bad is going to happen. And this was quite a pessimistic thought, so I just wanted to turn this illustration or a drawing into something optimistic given the situation that we are in. For that, I had to imagine something bad but happening with what we want, the last thing alive on earth, that is the virus, that is the COVID-19 virus. So for this drawing, what I thought is this virus having some ominous thoughts, that is dark clouds in his thoughts. Day 30 of October, and this kind of a very interesting prompt with some kind of a meaning that many of us were not really familiar with that much. So it was obviously a very impressive tech. If this was planned enough, then I have particularly loved thinking about what we can draw, because these kinds of prompts, everyone, I think all the artists would have required some kind of a thought process to go on with for the illustration, for inking, whatever you want to do. So for that reason in particular, I would say ominous for me would have been the most interesting prompt of the whole of October. And obviously I know that day 31 has got the prompt of crawl, so that way it is the most interesting prompt of the whole of October. I was quite happy with how I thought of it, but I was skeptic enough that I can draw the exact thing. So you can see the process of what went into my mind. It is real-time drawing. I had to take some time while thinking the expression, because ominous is an adjective. So for that, I had to show that the virus is giving a kind of a worrying impression. So for the worrying impression, you have to realize that the eyes, the face, the whole facial expression, everything needed to be in line with the prompt, with the meaning of the prompt. So this was kind of I remember that I had seen SpongeBob a few days back, so this I was quite a bit impressed with the expression, and I searched for SpongeBob expressions on Google, and this one expression I liked, so I kind of punched the COVID-19 virus with SpongeBob. I'm not sure whether it's weird or not, but I was quite happy with the expression that it finally gave. So I would love to know what you think about the expression that you can see right now in the face of the virus. And what do you think about my idea of ominous? I would love to know from you guys. And since it is day 30, and if you are new here, I would request all of you to look at the playlists that I have on my channel, and I would love you guys to go through the videos, even if possible, then the thumbnails. Hopefully you would definitely find something which is interesting for you, for that matter, and you guys will surely comment, I'm sure of it. And if you're new again, I would say that please hit the subscribe button, because subscriptions are pretty much needed. I want to reach out to more people who are interested in drawing and drawing challenges, different kinds of drawing challenges. I generally do Inktober. I have done the 2018, and the playlist is present in my channel. And again, I have tried it in 2020. I've got great support from all of you guys, and if you're new, then that is why I'm saying that please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification of new videos. And if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button. But most important is the comments. I love to read your comments. I love interaction. So I love discussions on what needs to be sketched and where drawing is going nowadays, and all that matter, like how I think of what I need to sketch, how I start my day with a thought of drawing, like what needs to be sketched today and what is the workflow. I would surely bring out more videos on them, but before that I would love to have discussions with you. I am already having many, so even if you are not that much open to talk on YouTube comments, then you can come on Instagram and DM me, and I love to share my knowledge or share my experience of drawing commissioned works, drawing different kinds of logos, t-shirt drawings, whatever I have done throughout. I love to discuss that. So if you guys want to have an interaction, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram and Facebook page links are already provided in the description section. You guys complain that maybe you're not on Instagram, I don't see you on Instagram, so you can just go and type YT Soup Art. So there you can find me, and the links are obviously present in the description. You don't need to even type, then you just can click and go directly into the Instagram or Facebook pages. Coming back to the drawing, so what the ominous expression had, the coronavirus is thinking of kind of a bad feeling and how to express bad feelings. So to express bad feeling, it was the clouds, the dark clouds, that I thought would be the best thing to show, and that's how this one turned out. So what do you think about the whole illustration? Like, there was the first part, the coronavirus, his thoughts, and the dark clouds in it. The whole illustration makes the adjective ominous quite understandable. That's what I think. That was what my idea was. So I would love to know your thoughts on this too, and if possible, then share this with your friends and them who are not sure like me about what ominous is. Hopefully this one clears lots of doubts on ominous and how we can sketch ominous easily, because this obviously is a very basic drawing, and anybody and everybody can try it and definitely can achieve it. But personally, I think I was quite happy with this drawing and the final outcome. So it was a great experience that I had. As I said, hopefully I can continue with drawing more of Inktober drawings in the future, but day 30 was quite a joyride. So see you again tomorrow for the final drawing, and I guess that will be interesting again, and then we will talk about post Inktober life. See you guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep drawing. Bye bye.